Changing the language in a Google Photos app can help you navigate the app more comfortably. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Photo Settings to access the app's settings. Step 3. Select language. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Language or App Language. Tap on it to proceed to the language selection screen. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of available languages. Tap on the language you wish to use for the app interface. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the Google Photos app completely and then reopen it. The app should now display in the language you selected. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Google Photos app to suit your preferences. Enjoy using the app in your chosen language.